Topping our news today at 5, the trial of Jennifer Crumbley. We appreciate you joining us. I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Brian Abel. Jury selection beginning today in the case of the Oxford school shooter's mother. The jury being dwindled down from a potential pool of about 300.
Well, today, new court documents show she wants the judge to order her son to testify at her trial. His lawyers are requesting that he not be allowed to take the stand. They're also filing an appeal to his life sentence without parole.
Our coverage begins with 7 Action News reporter Simon Shaquette, who was in the courtroom as jury selection got underway today.
Today, cameras were not allowed inside the courtroom for jury selection, which we're told could take up to a week. The first step in this process, a critical questionnaire and instructions for potential jurors. Today, Judge Cheryl Matthews telling the court a pool of 300 jurors all took a questionnaire asking which of them can remain impartial despite extensive coverage of the deadly Oxford High School shooting. Jurors brought in 50 at a time for selection, with hundreds more on standby if needed, and told to avoid watching news reports or going on social media.
They purchased this gun to almost have to not parent. Like, it made him happy, and they were just trying to do what made him happy so that they don't have to take responsibility or be parents at that time, so they can focus on other things.
Parent Nicole Beausoleil speaking out about the tragedy that took the life of her daughter Madison Baldwin, along with Tate Meir, Justin Schilling, and Hannah St. Juliana. Prosecutors say the rampage could have been prevented by the Crumbleys, and they plan to show video footage from a gun range, including the purchase of ammunition, as evidence.
Any person should be held accountable for their actions as a parent, because that's their sole job, is to make sure that their children are taken care of.
Also potential evidence, Jennifer Crumbley's phone records, social media data, and video from inside Oxford High, along with dozens of witnesses to be called to the stand. Prosecutors alleging gross negligence in allowing the shooter access to a gun, and his prior cries for help, making the tragedy foreseeable.
In the meeting that they had the day of the incident, they knew what he had been drawing. It was brought to their attention. They didn't take him home. So yes, they should be held accountable.
A gag order prevents attorneys on both sides from speaking with media. The shooter has also asked not to testify against his parents and said he plans to appeal his own sentence.
For all of the families, it's very important that we have accountability and responsibility assessed for everybody who brought about this tragedy.
Jury selection will continue tomorrow, and a different jury will be picked for another trial for James Crumbley to begin March 5th. From the Oakland County Courthouse, Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News.
Simon, thank you.